What's up, guys? Justin Phillip here, and today I'm about to rock everyone's world, blow your minds with this crazy setup I got. Check it out. Okay, guys, I have to show you this crazy ass setup. Okay, here we go now. Now, a lot of people are gonna hate on this right away, and that's to be expected, you know? And to that I say, what's up, haters? Okay, so now, you take this beast. Let me show you this, though. Let me show you this. You don't even know, man. All right, check this out. I'll put this down here like this. Oh, my God, this is so crazy. Okay, now, I got my HDMI over here. I figured out a way to fly my Blackmagic for my skate film. Okay, now, check this out. Now, I've used this Flycam and comfort rig vest with the GH5 all the time. But I never had to do what's going on. If you'll notice, this is the battery system, the Atomos power station, and my Shinobi down here on the arm. Look, let me refigure this. Check this out. I got a crab clamp attached to this. Look at this. There's my monitor. Here's my arm getting wiggy on me. Come on now, brother. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Look at that. Oh, he's leaning too far. No. It was perfect before I turned the camera on. Damn it. All right, let me just readjust this real quick. Oh my God, look at that. Oh my God. Okay, let me tighten this down. Okay, this is nuts. I know this is nuts. And nobody in their right mind is gonna look at that and look at this setup and go, oh yeah, man, I want that rather than my Ronin S. You're right? Nobody in this day and age would ever say that. But yo, I don't care, dude. This is legit. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. It's butter, man. It's butter. Butter in the house. Look. And I can even just, I'm barely touching this beast. I'm barely touching this beast. Look at this. No hands, Mom. Oh, shit. It's drifting a little bit. You got to keep your back straight, bro. Look. No hands, Mom. No hands. What? Shit. Look, you just barely hold it, man. Little pinky. Look, where's my soda pop? I got soda pop in one hand, dude. And I'm just straight. Look, and I got Shinobi down here. What's up with my exposure, bro? What's going on with my exposure? Oh, it's right here, right in front of my face. Cool, bro. Cool. This is so hilarious. Oh, my God. I cannot. I'm looking at my reflection in the big mirror here. This is just too funny, bro. This rig is hilarious. Just this crazy, but it's legit. And look, I got my monitor. I got my Atomos power station down here. And look, when someone pulls up like this, you'll be like, what the fuck is that guy got on? Yo, this is mini Hollywood. I'll be like, yo, this is mini Hollywood, dog. Look at this though. I'll be showing you guys. You're like, dude, he ain't gonna be able to do nothing with all that on, but shit. First of all, okay, I've already done shit with all this on. Second of all, I'm gonna be filming my skate movie like this. And some of y'all don't know, but I've been skateboarding since 1997, so it ain't like I'm gonna be doing tray flips with this thing on, you know what I'm saying? But this is crazy. I know this looks nuts, but this is butter, bro. This is so butter. And look, just wherever I want to go. What? You want to get that? You want to get that little miniature jib shot, bro? What? What the fuck, bro? Yes, like that shit, girl. This is legit, dude. It looks good too, man. It looks really good. So with this is more like old school steady rig, you know? Now, if I could get like a little, my buddy was showing me a Moza Air, the wireless focus for like 300 bucks. I could put the little wheel here and have the wireless focus on some little rails underneath my Cinelens there. And then I could just be like, boop, boop, you know, with my Coca-Cola hand, I'd be like, boop, boop, pulling focus. Shit, bro, they ain't got shit on me, dog. Godzilla ain't got shit on me. Wanted to show you guys that. That is legit, dude. What the fuck is that shit? That is so funny. So funny. Can't wait, bro. I can't wait to show you guys what I'm about to produce with this thing. So I'm a little overzealous and a little excited today on the channel. So I apologize for that. I do have a little bit of ADD. So This is a new thing for me. I'm super pumped about this. And on top of all that, this coincides. I would have never been able to do this without Blackmagic Raw being able to let me record directly to SD cards. Now, CFast is another issue, but I just don't have money for CFast cards right now. But yeah, I mean, this is insane. And when they see me, I cannot wait to see the looks on their faces. I gotta show up on this shoot on Monday, and they're gonna be like, "What the fuck is this?" I don't know, or maybe not. I could be wrong. Like, I would think if I saw me rolling out of the car putting this on, I'd be like, "What the fuck?" But maybe not. I mean, maybe like people that, you know, are outside of this world, maybe they'll just be like, "Ooh," you know, I don't know. I'll find out Monday. That's for damn sure. But in all reality, though, I think this will be great for just like, you know, walking stuff, walking shots, and any kind of movement stuff, you know. It's great. And I love that I have my Shinobi right here, because first of all, it's 1,000 nits, and you know, Atomos, I can't, without Atomos, I'm shooting blind. I'm shooting like Ray Charles without Atomos, man, straight up. I just can't do it anymore. Once I started shooting without it, and I've been shooting with Atomos for like probably over a year. Before that, probably all my footage sucked, probably straight up. Before I started shooting Atomos, my footage sucked. And then I got Atomos, I started shooting with that Ninja Blade a long time ago with the GH4. And that started, my stuff started enhancing almost immediately. And pretty much it all goes to exposure, like straight up exposure, man. I did a shoot last week on the Red Raven, like an in-house shoot. I didn't have to bring any of my gear, right? It was all their stuff. And the guy's like, "Yeah, man, whatever." And I'm like, "All right, cool." And then when I showed up, I had my little director kit, you know, my little director's viewfinder, little small rig tool, and my Shinobi, and my gray card, and my light meter, right? That's what I showed up with, a little pack. And he was like, "Well, you don't need that monitor, man. You can use the, you know, the monitor on the Red's good." I go, "Oh, I know. But no, I'm going to be using the Shinobi as well." And I did. And you know what? That shoot helped me. I mean, the Shinobi, I'll tell you this right now. We shot, sorry. I lit and shot for this interview and got B-roll with the slider. And then I edited the whole thing, colored the whole thing, and I did it all within 4 hours, bro. Boom, 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 boom. You can't get exposure. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know. I'm not sponsored by Atomos. I don't even know what I'm trying to sell you guys on this shit. Whatever. As always, thanks for watching. Big shout out and huge thank you to all my loyal subscribers and all the homies out there on the internet world. And that's a wrap.